welcome back to the channel, guys. Starting off in the room today. I just wanted to remind you guys that we are on the push for 3K subscribers. I still have the flex field sensor kit that I planned on giving away to one of you guys who may need it. And if you do not need the flex field sensor kit, I do have a full detailing product kit that I was going to give away. You get to pick or choose. So we're still pushing for 3K subscribers. I ordered from eBay about 2 weeks ago some carbon fiber side skirt extension pieces for the V. They're universal pieces. The thing about the V is we don't have a lot of parts for the V. Like I was explaining in my community page, I was gonna make a wicker bill for the CTS V. I have to order a certain wing in order for the wicker bill to fit on it, and that wing alone is like $400. So I was trying to find an alternative around that. I'm still looking, so I'm still trying to make that. But currently I have the carbon fiber rear diffuser, which I'll show you guys, and then I have the front lip, which I plan on swapping to a carbon fiber one possibly. And then I just ordered the carbon fiber extension side skirt, so we're gonna go see how those look and then check them out. But the V is cold, so I haven't driven it for a while, so we'll get a cold start of it and then do installation on these side skirts and see how they look. Also, quick before I go outside and start the car, this is one of the reasons why I wanted to shoot a quick video on the inside. I am making shirts. These are handmade. I've been trying to make shirts for the channel. So this will be the logo right here. If you guys can see it, it's HTN for Heard the Nerd. The color between here can change, and then on the sleeves it has the V logo. Of course, this one is the color of my color scheme of my car, which is the black and gold, and then I have a picture of the V on the front. The colors of the shirts can change. I believe I have white, navy blue, like an army green, and this color, which would be gray. And then of course the color between here can change. This can change. I can put it red, blue, green. Just different colors for different V owners out there. I'm trying to make some merch to support the channel and stuff like that if you guys are interested in that. I had a couple different designs that I made. This is another one of them with the cartoon version of the V on the back, but I kind of like this one the best. And I'm gonna be changing up, so it won't always have this picture on it. I'll have different ones. But just in case, if you guys are interested in something like that, just let me know. Comment down below or message me on my Instagram, because I do post some of the designs that I make on the Instagram, which is the same thing, Heard the Nerd on Instagram. So let's go ahead and get started with the car. All right, guys, here we go. We got the carbon fiber side skirts that I ordered. I ordered these about 2 weeks ago. I just haven't had time to install them because it's been raining. It came with some screws right here to install them on the side, but I have been having plenty of two-way sticky tape from a lot of the things that I've ordered, so I planned on mocking them up with a two-way first instead of drilling inside the side skirts to see if that works. And then I got some alcohol and a towel to clean it off, make sure the surface is clean. But these were about, I think they were about 30 bucks from eBay. They're not bad. I mean, the quality is really, really good. I like the way the carbon looks. And I got a lot of questions about my rear diffuser. So a lot of guys, I have a carbon rear diffuser under here. I actually ordered from eBay too. I think they discontinued that because I have a lot of people trying to buy it, but every time I send them a link, it's not on there. That was like a 30 bucks or something like that, but it does give the V a good look from the rear, and that thing looks great. So now I'm going to try to mock up these side skirts and try these out and see if they work pretty good. So let's check these things out. So first things first, I'm going to get this microfiber towel, slap some alcohol on it, clean off the bottom of this damn side skirt, because I know the bottom of this side skirt's probably got some crazy dust down here. So I hate having my car sit up, man. Damn, look at that. That's crazy. See, that's what you don't want the two-way sticky tape to be trying to stick to. So you need to clean that off, and then pretty much what you need to do is measure how much space you're gonna need. So at least clean off from here all the way down like that, pretty much. Flip the towel, clean off the actual side skirt piece itself. Man, see, that's the thing about the V's, man. We don't have a lot of ground effects and kits and stuff that you can put on the V. Because the V already looks good. It doesn't really need too much to add to it. I mean, as you guys know, the rear bumper has that little indentation, different from the regular CTS. The side skirts are pretty much different. They have, you know, they have a nice side skirt. The front has those aggressive front bumper on it and everything. But as far as like extra ground effects, there's really not much out there for the V except for a front lip, which, I mean, front lips are pretty common. So what about side skirts? As you guys know, I added the rear diffuser myself. I have yet to see anybody add that one before I added it on there, so I thought that was a good look. And it's carbon fiber also, and then this is carbon fiber too, so pretty much gonna add this on here. And only thing I'm debating is if I want it to sit close like this, or do I want it to kind of come out a little bit, because the thing is, I want to keep it even with the rest of the body lines, but I do want it to stick out, you know, so that you could actually see the skirt, so that you can know that there's a skirt on it. So let me go ahead and try to mock up this right here, and then I'll show you guys what I come up with. All right, so I kind of figured out how I want to mock it up. I'm probably gonna have it pretty much just like that on the car. The only thing is, when it gets slim down here, you need the slimmer two-way sticky tape, which I have right here towards the end, and then the thicker one towards the top part up here. So let me go ahead and get these pieces cut up and then mount this thing. All right, guys, so the two-way actually stuck a little bit better than I thought. I just wanted to mock it up, but when I stuck it on it, it just freaking stuck. I guess that the 3M is usually the best tape to use. 3M is always the best two-way sticky tape you can use, but usually when it comes to putting stuff on side skirts, lips, I always have an issue with them sticking and kind of falling off. But I guess cleaning it with that alcohol and making sure that the surface was really clean, man, that thing stuck on there like butter. So it's mocked up on there. I might still put something in there, but it does look good. It gives the V a different look. Maybe on camera it looks a little funny, looks a little odd. You can't really see it too well, but it looks really, really good. It does give it like an effect. Now for this front part, I do want to add another side skirt piece, and maybe add an extra carbon piece for the front. Give it some ground effect. But yeah, I do plan on switching this one out for a carbon fiber lip, possibly to kind of match some carbon. And then on the door seals right there, those door seals, they have carbon fiber ones. I was probably gonna go with some carbon fiber door seals and stuff like that. Put some carbon on here. I still got a plan on wrapping the car. I saw a bunch of the colors that you guys recommended in the last video. I still plan on doing that. So I'm just trying to pick the color. With the virus stuff going on, it's hard to find a shop and, you know, stuff to do that. So it's just taking up some time, man. This pandemic stuff is pretty crazy right now. It's like a hit or miss. It looks good, and then it's like, I feel like it's the carbon on this is a little gray for me. It's pretty gray compared to the black, but I did also want to wrap the car, so I mean, it may change. But let me know what you guys think. I think it looks good. I mean, you can't beat it. It's only what, 30 bucks or 20 something dollars for some carbon fiber side skirt pieces. It looks good, man. It does look good. Maybe the camera is not doing it justice, but it really looks good on here. So let me go ahead and do the other side and then mock it up and see what we think. All right, guys, and there we go. We got the side skirts installed. That's the passenger side. And now we got the driver's side installed. I feel like they're a good accent. And then we got the carbon fiber rear diffuser in the rear. It does look really good. I think the camera just doesn't do it justice, but it does make a big difference. It's like a simple add-on that you can get from eBay for like 20 bucks or something. Let me know what you guys think about this. It's something that you can easily order for like 20 something bucks. And let me know what you guys think about the shirts again. So here's the template for the logo that I was going to be putting on the shirts. Heard the Nerd HTN. I feel like it was a cool logo to be mounting on the shirts, as you can see on my shirt right here. So that's what it'll be like. And then this is a picture of my V and then the V logo. And then the shirts fit pretty snug, man. They're pretty good shirts, good quality, everything like that. So nothing to complain about on those shirts. All right, guys, so I actually went ahead and put like 2 or 3 screws in it. The way my driveway is set up, jacking the car up is not gonna work. So I did that, threw some screws in it. I could remove them if I wanted to, but I'm gonna run them for a little bit since I paid for them. They do look pretty good, man. They give it a nice aggressive look on the side. So I gotta figure something out about the front piece to add a side skirt. And then here's the rear diffuser, the carbon diffuser. I'll try to put the link down below if any of you guys want to put that on your car. It really does look good. It makes the V look a lot different. And it's quick DIY quarantine things to do. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe button. Appreciate all the support. Now they're pretty sturdy now. Not going anywhere. They're with the side skirt, so I can remove them. I just put 2 or 3 of the screws that it came with and the 2A sticky tape, so they're on there. So let me know what you guys think. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate all the support.